The Q-Value Nuclear Interactive Calculator determines Q-values and energy parameters for nuclear reactions. This calculator has 6 calculation modes: Q-value from nuclear masses, Q-value from binding energies, alpha decay Q-value, beta minus decay Q-value, product kinetic energies, and threshold energy for reaction. For this demonstration, I'll use Q-value from nuclear masses. The input fields are mass of reactant 1 in AMU, mass of reactant 2 in AMU, mass of product 1 in AMU, and mass of product 2 in AMU. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 AMU for mass of reactant 1, 10 AMU for mass of reactant 2, 10 AMU for mass of product 1, and 10 AMU for mass of product 2. After clicking Calculate, the results show Q-value equals 0.0000 MeV, indicating no net energy change. The reaction type is endothermic, meaning it requires energy input. The energy released shows 0.0000 MeV, and energy required also shows 0.0000 MeV. The total energy in joules displays as 0.00 E plus 0 J. These zero values occur because the total mass of reactants equals the total mass of products, resulting in no mass energy conversion. This tool helps engineers quickly analyze nuclear reaction energetics. Find the link in the description below.